Well, hello out there, everyone. As you can see, this is a Gemtronics GTX 5040 channel CB transceiver. This is a tube radio. I've taken the tubes out. This one was working fine yesterday, and as I watched the meters, the power and the modulation fell off. So I took the covers off. This is the top side. I suspect tubes, so I took all the tubes out. Seeing nothing on this side, I took the bottom cover off, and seeing nothing obvious, like leaking capacitors or anything like that. Look at all this beautiful point-to-point wiring. Isn't that gorgeous? This capacitor now would probably be about that big. So anyway, I'm going to test the tubes and hook it back up and try it and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Again, this is a Gemtronics GTX5000 40 channel tube radio. Same radio as the Robin Yellowbird 240D, just in a black case. Thanks for watching.